you break it down. L is 50, C is 100, D is 500. Hello guys, this is Uncle DJ from Mathematical Series for Junior and Senior Secondary. Today we are going to be learning how to write Roman numerals and alphabetic codes from scratch. If today is your first time on this channel, you're welcome. Now remember, in the last class I gave you a couple of assignments on home task on counting in 60s. These are the answers to those questions. For question 9, the final answer is 654 seconds. That's the final answer. For the next question, the final answer is 300 minutes. And the third answer, the final answer to the third question is 22 minutes and 22 seconds. Now let's get back to the topic of the day, how to write Roman numerals. So what I have on this table is a summary of all the Roman numerals that is what you remembering or memorizing, and I will try to explain how you will be able to put this or memorize it. First of all, 1 is represented with I, 2 is represented with II, 3 is represented with III, 4 is normally derived. The 4 is derived from 5. 5 is V, while 4 is IV. It is called IV because the I is put before the V, because it shows 1 was subtracted from 5 to get 4. 5 minus 1 gives us 4. So 5 V minus 1 gives us 4. That is IV. You will also know that it is subtraction because look at this 1. This 1 here is smaller than this V. I is 1, while V is 5. That's to tell you that it is subtraction that is going on here. 5 minus 1 gives us 4. 6 was derived from 5. So that's why the I is brought after the V. 5 plus 1 gives us 6. So V plus I gives us 6. That's VI. Then 7 was also derived from 5 with adding 2. 5 plus 2 gives us 7. So 2 was added, VII. 8 was also derived from 5, VIII. 9 was derived from 10. 10 is X. So 9 is, we all know that 10 minus 1 gives us 9. So we need to put I before X to give us 9. So 10x minus 1, or 10 minus 1 gives us 9. And that's why we have ix to be equals to 9. So 9 was actually derived from 10. 11 was derived from 10, because we all know that 10 plus 1 gives us 11. 20 is XX. 40 is XL. Now 40 was actually derived from 50. 50 is represented with L. So now we are having 10 before L. That means you can see this 10 is a smaller number compared to L, which is 50. So you know that it's a subtraction that is going on here. That is 50 minus 10 gives us 40. So it's very easy to memorize. XL is 40. 50 is L. So we are trying to, so if we were to calculate 60, 60 is 50 plus 10. That is LX. That is 50 plus 10, LX. 90 was derived from 100. 100 is represented by C. So in order to get 90, we need to subtract 10. So to do that subtraction, we put 10 before the letter C. That is 10. We are subtracting 10 from what? From 100. That is XC. That's how 90 was derived. Then we have 400. 400 was derived from 500. 500 is represented by D. So to get 400, what do? We subtract 100 from 500 to get 400. How do we subtract? You place that figure before it. So what do we have? We have CD. C was subtracted from D. So we have 100 subtracted from what? Subtracted from 500 to give us 400. So it is CD. Very easy to memorize. Then we have 900, which was derived from 1000. 1000 is represented by M. And to get 900, you subtract how much? You subtract 100. So what do we know as 100? 100 is C. So we do what? CM. That is 100 subtracted from 1000 gives us 900. So that's how we get 900. So it's very easy to memorize all this using this particular logic I just explained. Once you know this logic, you'll be able to solve virtually any kind of number. Now let's do some examples to make us understand this concept completely. Now, the very first question, what number does MDCLXXXVI represent? To solve this, what we have to do is, you can start solving from the back here. When we see VI, this is definitely an addition. You can see 5 and 1. You can see, you can break it down like this. V is 5, I is 1. This triple X is 30. We already know that. That is 10 in 3 places, 30. Then we have, first of all, you can try to find out, is this CL? Which one is the bigger number? C is 100, while L is 50. So definitely this is not a subtraction, but this is an addition. So what do? You break it down. L is 50, C is 100, D is 500, M is 1000. So we add it all together. So we add, this is the last one here, 5 plus 1 is 6, 5 plus 3 is 8, 5 plus 1 is 6, 1 all the way down gives us 1. So the final answer is 1686.